The more you expose yourself to other people, the more people are just going to try and pull you back down. It's like a sickness within our society where people can't help themselves but ridicule anybody who has a lofty goal or an ambition. But that's why it's so super powerful to be able to just disappear and start doing the work that you need to do in the shadows. By cutting yourself off from the world and focusing in secret on the things that you need to do to achieve your desired transformation can be mind-blowing, exhilarating, and massively rewarding. Because you know that when you reappear, that transformation that you've achieved is going to shock the world. But the best thing is, shocking the world won't even matter to you, because the lessons that you're going to learn whilst working in the shadows, you're going to realize that the only opinion that counts in this world is your own. So now I want to get into telling you how you can do this the right way. There are 3 main points to doing this successfully. The first is how you actually disappear. The second is what do you do once you've disappeared. And the third, how do you successfully reappear? So how do we actually disappear? Well, the first rule of Vanishing Club is you don't talk about Vanishing Club. Keep your trap shut. You will no longer be able to talk openly and freely about your life anymore. So you're really going to have to learn to control your mouth if you want to make this work. And I'm talking about everybody. I'm talking about your family, your friends, your work colleagues. You could probably tell your dog. Your dog won't mind. She's not going to tell anybody. What I would say is you can tell your life partner. You can be open and communicate with your life partner if they're supportive in the goals that you're trying to achieve. If not, keep them from them as well. Just keep it to yourself. It's a natural habit for most of us to just spew out information onto others. And it's going to take a while for us to master not doing that. But if you want to work within the shadows, you're going to have to learn to master it quick. So, catch your thoughts before they leave your mouth, and then we can work covertly in the shadows happily and easily. Number 2, what you think is all you should care about. It doesn't matter what other people think anymore. You really need to reprogram your mind to not care what other people think if you want to successfully work within the shadows. People don't care about you. So why do we even care what people think anyway? The problem is that we do care, and that dictates the actions we take. You make decisions based on whether you think people will approve or not. And that doesn't matter whether the decision is going to be beneficial or not to your goals and progress. And you need to murder that mindset and bury it deep underground. Instead of worrying about what other people think, create a version of yourself inside your mind and become obsessed about what that person thinks about you. That way, you're only pursuing goals that you yourself would approve of, and you don't have that nagging thought of what other people might be thinking. Once you've mastered this is when you're really going to start noticing the rewards of disappearing into the shadows and working towards the goals of your personal transformation. Remember, yours is the only opinion that matters. You just need to ask yourself, will I be proud of myself and the transformation in my life once I reappear from the shadows? Stop being a puppet to other people's thoughts. Number 3, you need to hide your progress from others. It's so natural for us to just want to share any small accomplishment or achievement with other people. But when you're working in the shadows, it's so important that the only pat you get on the back is from yourself. Why? Because you're not finished yet. Revealing your progress and accomplishments to others prematurely can seriously knock your progress that you've made while you've been working in the shadows. It can even knock you off path altogether and just ruin the whole thing. Because disappearing is only really worth it if you're going to stick it until the full and final transformation. A part transformation, what's the point? What's the point in disappearing and cutting everybody out for a length of time if you're not going to fully achieve what you set out to achieve? So you need to grit your teeth and find that willpower and keep all your accomplishments hidden. And any excitement that you've got built up, use that to drive you on and power you on to the next level. Finally, the reappearing. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of your transformation, and it's now time for you to reappear back into your society. But something strange might have happened if you've completed all of this correctly. Do you even want to reappear? Because maybe you don't. Because once you've learned to work in the shadow and you realize its immense power to achieve, you're probably going to want to stay there. You've learned not to care about what people think. You've learned to care about what is important to you. And that's what's going to inspire you to keep crushing it in life. You've learned how to be calm, how to find inner peace, but most importantly, you've found how to find a better life than you had before.